Hello. Hello. Hello, Kiran. Hello.
Hello?
Yes, Kiran.
Oh, sorry. Okay, I was on.
Okay. Okay. Open Cloudera.
Okay, sure.
Yeah. Open.
It is opening.
Yeah. Okay. Let me open it. Okay. You downloaded, right? Ubuntu.
Yeah.
Hello. Yes. Yeah.
Well, that.
Yes. Just install it. Okay. I will explain you how to install Hadoop in Ubuntu or any Linux flavor or Windows.
Okay.
Okay. And I already set up with a screenshot I will share with you. Just reference for this docs. You just
Okay.
note it down. Pre-requesting softwares Hadoop tar file. Okay, I
Okay.
down. It's the oldest one. Just for practice purpose.
Okay.
Just you can do that, and I will give you an Hadoop 2.0. Hadoop 2.7 is the latest
Okay.
version. It's the stable one. I will give you that. Okay, for just explanation purpose, I will give you. If you have a time, you can practice this one Hadoop 1.0.
Okay.
Else, you can install Hadoop 2.0. Okay.
Okay.
For setting up a single node cluster in a standalone mode in your single system, pre-requesting softwares you have to use Ubuntu or any Linux flavors. Okay. And next one you have to download Hadoop tar file.
Okay.
And pre-requesting you have to install Java. Java supports 1.6 and 1.7 for Hadoop 1.0. And we already had a discussion default port numbers. Name node 50070, data node 50075, secondary name node 50090, job tracker 50030, task tracker 50060. We will discuss later backup and checkpoint.
Okay. This is for Hadoop. Hadoop
Hadoop?
1, right?
Yes. Only modifications are there here, job tracker and task tracker, right? There,
Uh-huh.
task tracker is a node manager, job tracker is a resource manager.
So,
Okay, resource manager port number 8088 and task node manager 8042.
okay.
Remaining are same. We will see that Hadoop too. Okay,
Sure.
yeah, just understand this one. We will move it Hadoop 2 and
Yeah.
we will discuss about all the commands.
Okay.
Okay, this we have downloaded and we removed that untar and remove the directory. You already familiar with Linux, right? Just I extracted that
Yeah.
Java and
Yeah.
Hadoop. Okay,
Okay.
then I moved this file to lib directory.
Yeah.
From this directory I moved and I given the path in bash.rc.
Okay.
Okay, I just checked it's installed or not. The paths once you set it, Java version, Hadoop version. Check the configuration files. What are the important configuration files? 4 configuration files are there. One is core site.xml, one is sdfs site.xml, one is mapped site.xml, Hadoop env.sh. It's all complete configuration files for Hadoop 1.0.
Okay.
In 2.0, we have yarn site.xml. One file extra, I will show you that one also. In core site.xml, we just give the input and output 4 numbers only for reference for name node. And sdfs site.xml, we are giving the path for metadata and actual data. For name node, metadata where has to store, and data node, data where has to store, and replication factor, how many replication factors we require. Globally, we are setting.
Okay.
And map rate site, here number of maps, number of reduce, all the tasks we are setting here. As of now, we are just setting a URL only. And here we are giving environment variable for Hadoop and Java for running the script. We'll see one by one file. Configuring core site.xml. Okay. For name node. This is the property fs.default.name for core
So
site.xml.
this one is a server name, right?
Yes. Just we are giving path. Here you can give anything. This
What is that name? So if the default that name is where you see that
property, which one?
the first base fs dot default dot name.
This is a property for name node.
Okay.
It's a property. It's a globally one. We cannot change
Global.
fs.default.name.
Oh, okay, okay. It is unique. Okay.
Yes, it's unique. This one, if you want, you can change this value. It's a 9,000. If you're opening that name node, right? When you're
Hmm.
opening Cloudera Manager, there you can see, right? If you're typing http colon double slash 50070, it will show you localhost 9,000. For our reference, we are giving.
Okay.
Here also you can set where metadata has to store, but they given this file completely for metadata. For Hadoop one, we don't need to mention name node and data node where data has to store. Its default it will store in temp directory. In Hadoop 2, we have to set up where data node data has to store and where metadata has to store. And its main file for replication factor. This also same property dfs.replication, and the value is 1. It's a default one is 1. If you want number of replication factor 3, you can set it, and maximum 8 replication factors you can set it. It's for globally.
So
If you're,
replication
yes,
factor,
yes,
you are starting to put copies.
yes. If your
Okay.
data, if you're loading, if you've set in replication factor 3, whatever data you store is copy 3 times.
Oh, okay. So this is the file. Okay. Got
Yes. And mapped site dot again it's a default mapped dot job dot tracker, and you are giving URL here also. It's a globally one,
it.
whatever we mentioned. Here if you want localhost 9,000, if you want you can change it. This is for
So
communication between the Hadoop and Java. This is
మళ్ళీ
Hadoop.
మాట్లాడు.
Yeah. Hello.
Yeah. Sorry.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Go ahead. Okay. This is for Hadoop 1.0.
Yeah.
Okay. In Hadoop 2.0, we are different. Just practice at this one. I will share you with screenshot the document. Each step, you just practice it. This one. Okay. And this is the configuration we used to do for passwordless configuration. In when you run the from Cloudera, you are not done right. Sudo JPS.
Yeah.
When you run that one, you can see that name node, data node, job tracker, master, task tracker,
Right.
right? Daemons. Okay, if you're running the Ubuntu or any flavor, which is manually, if you're setting the cluster, it's keep on asking whenever you run sudo jps, it's keep on asking for 3 times.
Okay, so that is okay. That's
Yeah,
setup. Okay, got
passwordless configuration.
it. I was thinking this SSH, so passwordless will be set up from to go from data node to
Yes.
name node to data node
um
and vice versa.
Vice versa. Plus, if you're running daemons, right? Yeah, if you're doing multi-node cluster, that will be vice versa. And if you're doing single node cluster, whenever you run sudo jps, it's keep on asking password. To avoid those passwords, we are running. We are setting this one.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. It's for communication SSH. It's working or not to see. And next step, what we need to do, we need to format the name node. Whenever you format the name node, that will be after formatting name node, it will create a edit logs and fs image.
Can you repeat again? What is that format?
Hadoop name node format. Whenever you format it, after formatting only, it will create the file directories par metadata. I will show you in practically. Okay.
Sure, sure.
Yeah, then only you will get it. What is the purpose? It we are not specific. We are not mentioned any path. Okay. For as of now, for where metadata has to store. Its default it's stored in temp directory. After formatting metadata only, it will create two directories. One is fs image and edit log. And
Another one is
fs image and edit logs.
edit logs. Okay.
Yeah. What is fs image and edit logs? Okay, we already discussed about it. Metadata backup, secondary name node, right? Yeah, I lost secondary name node also. Even I want to take backup, there is a checkpoint.
Okay.
One more node is called backup node. Even backup node also lost. We can take data from lost edits, edit log and fs image. Okay.
Okay.
In bit, whatever we data is stored, we request to name node. Name node is assigned to job tracker. Job tracker assigned to task tracker. Task tracker will do actual task from data node.
Yeah. One
But
question.
yeah,
Sumukh.
yes,
So when we have the name node and the backup node, right? So name node, when we lost the data on the name node, so we still have
yeah.
recover from
Secondary
backup,
name.
right? So when you say recover, so recover means that will be actually functioning or behind the scenes we just need to copy from like a backup node to name node and start the services. How is that exactly?
If you lost, for example, name node is get down. Okay, from Hadoop 1 version.
Hmm?
Else Hadoop 2 also active passive is there. Even both are gone. Okay, that case we have to shut down the cluster. We have to put in a safe mode as a name node. After that, we have to copy and manually we have to copy and we have to load it and we have to restart the
Got
cluster.
got it. Okay.
Okay, but here how it will take backup. Name node also fs image and edit logs. Okay,
Mhm.
name node also contains the primary node called name node. The name node also contains fs image and edit logs. Okay, same configuration will be there for secondary name node also. Okay, fs image and edit logs. Okay,
Okay.
for example, whatever data is in specific interval. For example, we can set it for hour basis, we can set it for weekly basis, we can set it for monthly basis. Okay, whatever data is received or any updates, what edit logs means, keep on update, delete, read, write, all the operations comes with edit logs. Okay, and fs image, one screenshot, whatever we data stored and whatever things are happened, it take one screenshot. That we call
Okay.
as fs image. Both
Okay.
will be merged, called checkpoint.
Okay.
That checkpoint will update to name node. Keep on. That one we can be schedule it hourly basis or weekly basis, monthly basis. Whatever name node have data, same data will be take a backup of secondary name node. Let's keep on updating. Whatever we read, write, what are all the application, one copy will take from secondary name node. That will be update to again name node. If any changes is done, that will be take care by secondary name node. After all the changes is done, is keep an update to name node. Again, cycle
Okay.
always. We'll see in diagram right now. Okay, all things about cluster. To start,
Sure.
we should go for bin directory. We have to start all the daemons. Okay, display all the nodes they written, but it's a cross track. Sorry, daemons. JPS to display all the daemons. To check whether all the daemons are working or not. Before going to do any job, we have to check JPS all the daemons are whether it's working or not. It is for communication between the nodes and it's communication between the, if I'm trying to connect ifconfig, ifconfig I'm using FileZilla or other tools, WinSAP. If it's not able to connect, we have to enter this sudo apt install OpenSSL for communication. It's working or not, whether we can check it for SSH. And I will show you in this. And let's discuss the comments and we'll go for installing single node cluster. Okay. These are the comments. One second.
Oh,
For name node comments. Ubuntu is just open Ubuntu and I will explain you install Java. Okay. And these comments we will see. Okay. You just started installing Java. Okay. We will see how to format the name node. What is the purpose of formatting? After formatting, what we will get? Hello.
yeah.
Yeah. Open Ubuntu. How you open
Yeah,
it?
I'm opening.
Yeah, open.
It says connection to virtual become custom. You want to try to connect this virtual every time you power the virtual machine. So, can you send me the document and make me presenter? I will share the screen. So I'm getting
Okay.
some assistance. When I am trying to open the Ubuntu, it says cannot connect to the virtual device parallel 0 because no corresponding device is available on the host.
No,
So you
actually,
want to
already
try to
Cloudera
connect.
is running. Maybe that is the reason.
We have to close that
You just
Cloudera.
stop one that one. Have you run basic comments with Hadoop comments or anything you tried with Cloudera? Have you tried?
Cloudera,
Yeah.
not really.
Oh, you never tried anything, right?
No, no.
Yeah. Then you try it once. Basic comments will say it, all the comments. Now we'll go to Ubuntu, how to set up it. Else we will discuss about. You will practice it. Okay. From this you cannot practice it with the Cloudera for this format everything. It is already formatted, but you if you can set it manually Ubuntu, then you can do all these things. From this is already predefined cluster. You can run that only. You can do the experiment. You cannot do the experiment with Cloudera, but manually you can set up the Hadoop in Ubuntu or any flavor. You can do all the installations, you can set and you can work it. Okay.
Okay.
What is the command of Hadoop? Name node hyphen format. Okay, to format the name. If we are doing practically, it is awesome, but theoretically, it's not
Yeah.
good. I think. Let me open my side also. Mm,
So you want to so you want me to close from my end the Ubuntu or
You just stop that Cloudera and open Ubuntu.
yeah, Ubuntu is open.
Yeah, open Ubuntu, right? Now
Yeah.
install OpenSS server. Open.
Which one?
Let me do it my end also. I will open my Ubuntu also. Just 2 minutes. We'll do both of us. It's open, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, we will install it too because it's the oldest one, Hadoop one. If you have time, you can install one. Okay. See, I will show you with same screenshot. Okay. You just understand this one. Okay. What we need to, how to set up the single node cluster in a
Okay.
Hadoop. I First step, you need to update it. You can do the update also because it's taking some time. Update that Ubuntu commands, you know.
So
Hmm?
your system does not check updates automatically. You can configure this updates. So I'm just closing that. So it is asking some updates. So do I need to do it or no? Cancel, right? Close.
Cancel. In Cloudera, it is asking or Ubuntu?
Ubuntu. Cloudera, I already closed. I opened Ubuntu.
Not required.
So what do you want me to open in Ubuntu?
Open the terminal, sir. Open the terminal.
Where is this terminal, man? Ubuntu I'm using for first time.
Okay. Control Alt T. Control Alt T.
Okay. I searched. I got the terminal.
Okay.
Yeah.
I made you presenter. Can you share me your screen?
Sure. Yeah.
Yeah. Open that. Yeah. Type sudo apt
AP.
yes hyphen get space update. Yeah. Enter. Password is password. Your system is the 64-bit or 32-bit?
Yeah. 64-bit.
Okay. Type sudo apt hyphen get space install space open jdk hyphen 7 hyphen jdk. Enter. Yes. Type Y. I will show you all the comments I have.
Sure.
Yeah, you cannot see my screen. I have all the comments.
Not very.
Now I will make okay.
It says install these packages without verification.
Yes, you can make it. It's all open source, right? No issue. You can see my screen, right?
No.
No, you can see, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Now your Java is installed. Now you need to install Hadoop. You have Hadoop
Yeah, but
2.0 tab? Yes. Yes, tell me.
yeah, it says fail to fetch.
Okay, let me see. Uh,
Could not.
no, it's maybe downloaded.
So after when I click yes, right, so it says everywhere
Error.
yeah. Fail.
Let me make you present.
But you are not able to see my.
No, no. I thought to make you. You can see my screen, right?
Yeah, I can see.
Yeah. Let me explain. Let me explain you all the things once, and I will make you present. Okay?
Sure.
Yeah. What the things is required? You have to install Java. Okay. First, you have to
Okay.
install Java. It's recommended to install 7 or 8. And if you install Hadoop 3, you must install Java 8. Okay. From here, 6 won't work. It works in 7, and if it's 8 also, it's good. And next,
Okay.
latest one you can download. It's a 2.7 is the latest one, tar file. Just I download from this URL. Else directly you have to go for apache.hadoop.org. There you can download this tar. Okay. Yeah. Once downloaded, you just extract that file. I extracted in the location of desktop. Okay. This is a command to extract in Ubuntu. Sudo tar-xvf, the tar file name. Okay. Once done, you have to set the path. From that path, Java is mandatory. What once installed in command line, the default location userlib jvm. Okay. This is the path what Java installed. Remaining all the configuration belongs to Hadoop. Okay, we given path, this bin directory for yeah, bin directory for start and stop. Yes, bin also start and stop. I will show you all files and I will open and I will show you. Okay, and my friend, just we are mapping the functions, the variables what we install. This is for loading that native libraries. We'll remove and we'll see what is the error will come, why we are giving this. And next, we
Okay.
extracted that file is done. And what are the configuration files are there? What we have to set. And as per discussion previously, core-site.xml, hdfs-site.xml, maprite-site.xml, Hadoop -env.sh, correct? And plus we are installing Hadoop 2.0, so we have another file called yarn-env.sh, yarn-site.xml. These are optional for Hadoop-env.sh is similar, and MapReid Hadoop we are overriding that one. It's not required to set up. And remaining slaves and masters, right? And one more you can see that .cmd.sh,
Okay.
.cmd.sh everywhere, right?
Yeah,
This
dot
file,
CMD.
yeah, it's platform independent. You can install in Windows also. But Hadoop one
Okay.
we don't have. Only .sh files are there, which is support for Linux. And CoreSite.xml again same properties in Hadoop 1.0 we seen, right? fs.default.name. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. And SDFSI.xml, what we need to do, we have to set up the replication factor and where metadata has to store. We created one directory and we are giving path as a value. This is the
Okay.
property dfs.namenode.data.dir directory, and this is for name node. Sorry, this is for data node
Okay.
where actual data has to store. Even you can give the remote location also with comma. Number of locations we
Okay.
can give here. Here also same. As of now,
Using
yes,
comma.
yes, comma. We can give number of locations. It's copy everywhere.
Oh, it is not like you have to copy the same format and say
Ah, no, no.
add one more, add one.
We
Oh,
can
okay.
give number of paths for our backup.
Okay.
This is for the property for yarnside.xml. These are the default properties given by Hadoop. This is for only we are setting Java path Hadoop-env.sh. Export Java underscore home slash user lib JVM. This is the path. This is for property for this is default property for yarn. We are not given anything, but we can give number of map tasks, number of reduced tasks.
Okay.
We will see that when we are going for map reduce, we will what is a map task, what is a reduce task, why it is, and partitioning, supplying, sorting, combiner.
Okay.
These all things come by map reduce. And we are formatting right. It is showing right here. I already formatted.
Yeah.
It's asking reformat file system storage directory.
Okay.
After formatting only it creates the directory. Inside they it will create one more two files, edit logs and fs image.
So is it mandatory to do that format or
Must.
the
After
format
formatting only it creates
really
the directory for metadata.
is no when you say format right now
Hmm.
temp to tomo dfs name.
Hmm.
So is that the only file system or is it the total
It's the only
file
file
system?
system, only file system. It is just
Okay.
it's creating one directory for
Okay.
name node metadata where it has to store. And it created
Okay.
two file systems. One is fs image and edit logs.
Okay.
You format and you open that directory. Here we given right path home somu desktop nn. Open this directory and see it create two files fs image and edit logs and session id and version.
So one question: when you
Yes.
do that format, right? So it will take from configuration file what directories we have to format.
Yes, that's why only we are giving this directory that
Okay.
purpose
So
only. Where metadata name node metadata where it has to store. That
Okay, so
location
this
here.
directory is again it is not comma separated.
Yes.
We have to give each full. Okay.
A full path are given here, but if you have a remote location or any other system using SAP, we
Okay.
can give the path.
Okay.
You just format it and open that. We will see that. Okay. Again, what we do? We will start the daemons all. Okay. Start all as a start, and we see all the daemons are whether it is working or not. Name node, data node, resource manager, node manager, secondary name node. Next, what we need to see? Next, in GUI, after opening your browser in your system Ubuntu, you can see a localhost colon 50070 for name node. Okay, 50075 for data node. Next 500. Sorry, from here resource manager 8088, node manager 8042. For data node 50075. For secondary name node 50090. This is a set of steps to set up a single node cluster in Hadoop 2.0. Same thing we have to set up it in Hadoop 2 for multi-node cluster. Create one name node and put, you have 8 GB RAM, you can set up 4 nodes. 2 GB for name node, remaining
Okay.
you can set it for 4 node, you can do it. Randomly
Okay.
will open for all the systems and you're setting as a master slave
Okay.
architecture. Once it's done, set up for multi-node, you no need to go for slaves. Everything you are installing and everything you're loading, everything you're doing in a name node. And if you're going for real-time environment, we have a client node that we call a edge node. Whatever things we are doing in the edge node, that will be not same. Client is request to name node. Name node is assigned to job tracker. Is individual systems will be there in a real time.
Okay.
Okay, now I will make you presenter. Let me install that Java and Hadoop everything. I made you presenter. Hello.
So you can see the screen.
Hi, yes, I can see you. Screen. Yes. Fail to fetch data string. Okay. Type Java hyphen version. If anything is updated, it's nothing is down. Space hyphen version. Enter. It's not downloaded. So type sudo space apt hyphen get space upgrade. Enter. Type S.
Next again.
ఇవే ఉంటాను కదా ಯಾರು ದೀಕ್ಷೆ
ఆడేవో ఆడతా ఉండ్రి తమ్ముడు వచ్చేస్తాడు మధ్య పట్టుకొని వస్తాడు
runs a sudo apt hyphen get space update sudo always sudo space apt hyphen space update space
get
is there. It's common for Ubuntu for yum pack like space update enter. It's not downloading at all.
But does this require internet?
Yes. Without internet it won't work.
So here network disabled, enable networking. What is this?
Where?
Now how to make sure this has it?
Open that browser and just check it. Its internet is working or not. Open browser and see that.
Yeah.
No, it's connected, right?
No, this is a VMware, but
No. It's from where automatically it will connect. You just open that browser and see that whether it is working on.
No, it is.
Type http in front server not foundation. http colon / try once http colon / enter now. It's not
ready for it.
Yes. No, it's not showing right. Server not connect that one, enable internet. Wireless.
Wireless, I don't see anything.
You're connected with the wireless, right? Wi-Fi?
Yeah, Wi-Fi. Here in VMware,
Close this. Close it and click that one icon for Wi-Fi icon. Wi-Fi. Click that. Enable networking. Click once again. Click on and again go there. Disconnected here now. Click that. Click on is showing anymore. It's automatically it will connect. Just restart this system only Ubuntu only Ubuntu. The right hand side user. Go to that settings icon. Yes, click. Restart. Click the shutdown. Shutdown. Restart.
Rest-
Yes, restart. It's not working. Hello. Hello. Hello.